Welcome to my channel. How to log into Netis Router. Netis Router web interface allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, SSID, and default settings at http://netis.cc or http://192.168.1.1. Open a browser and type netis.cc or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Enter username and password, if required, and click Sign In. You will be logged in to Netis Router interface. How to change Netis network name, SSID. Open a browser and type netis.cc or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and login. Once logged in, click on Wireless Settings, 2.4G, from the left column menu. Optionally, if you want to set up your 5G network, select the Wireless 5G option. In the SSID field, enter the new Wi-Fi network SSID/name. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Thank you for watching.